Do your introduction.
With her right here like this? Go. Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're going to pick up some substitutes for added sugar snacks. So let's step inside the grocery store and see what we can find.
Left of me, drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing.
So for most that aren't aware, and for those who are aware, that the overconsumption of sugar is responsible for fat being stored in the body. So we want to make sure that we limit our sugar. For men and women, the amount of grams is between 22 to 25 grams per individual. So those sugars or added sugars can easily sneak up. So we want to be mindful that the sugar that we're consuming is more so natural sugar. Fructose from fruits would be the better alternative over added sugars. Like, you know, you get the process, even brown sugar. I know it's this big hype, brown sugar is healthier. It really isn't as healthy. The only difference between brown and white sugar is the molasses that gives the brown sugar that color. But for the most part, it's processed. Doesn't have much nutritional content. So right now we're going to show you some of my favorite sweet tooth fixes that I like to, you know, some of the things that I like to purchase to help to crave my sweet tooth cravings. So let's get started. So we have dates. That's going to be the first thing on my list of things to get. Dates are high in nutrition. They're high in antioxidants. Dates, of course, it's good for the skin. Paige loved these as well. Dates and raisins are her go-to. And what I'll do with the dates, you can make either, if you like turtles, you can make turtles out of the dates. There's so many different snacks that you can make with dates. You can make date cookies. You can make, I like to make dates with almonds, like crushed almonds, and use some low glycemic coconut nectar. Of course, these dates, it has the seed in the middle. I just take that out, put that. You want this? Just gonna squeeze it. Of course, look. You gotta be careful with dates because you can eat a lot of these in one sitting, and if you're not careful, that can also cause fat storage. Even healthy foods can make you gain fat. So eating it in moderation is key. All right, so goji berries are another one of the higher antioxidant, richer in vitamins and minerals. It's great for the skin. It's considered a superfood. So when it comes to goji berries, I love to purchase these as well. They're a little bit pricey, but it's worth the price when you go ahead and you purchase it because the benefits of the goji berries outweighs the price. So you go ahead and you purchase your goji berries. And for those who have a savory or like things a little bit on the savory side, the goji berries are great for that. Half a pound. See, that's a little pricey. Half a pound, $9. That's expensive. Last time, I know my last food haul, I gave you guys a quick introduction. Raisins are also a good one. You can make your own trail mix with raisins. For those who have a nut allergy, use seeds instead. So that's something that I would pretty much do. Of course, I'm not a doctor. I'm not your doctor. So always speak to your doctor before you add anything new to your diet.
It feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard.
All right, so if I am going to opt for something with added sugar, I go for 72% cacao, not cocoa, which is different from cocoa. Cacao is different from cocoa because it's the purest form of chocolate. It's less processed. It has higher antioxidants. Some people who aren't familiar with the existence of cacao, they assume that I'm saying cocoa wrong. I'm not. It's something that exists. See, C-A-C-A-O, cacao, for those who aren't aware that cacao exists. So this is a better form of chocolate because, again, it's the purest form of chocolate. It has higher antioxidants. If you're unfamiliar with antioxidants, it helps to prevent free radicals in the body. So we'll go ahead and we get this, some good stuff. Your taste buds will adjust. Some people who aren't used to eating things that doesn't have a lot of sugar, because this isn't as high in sugar as the regular milk chocolate bars, but this is something that's going to help to give you that sweet tooth fix because of the nutritional content that cacao provides. So this is going to be one of the things that you hear often. Fruit is nature's candy. That's why it's sweet. It tastes good. It helps with the sweet tooth. I know some people thinking like, I don't want to eat fruit when I'm craving something sweet, but it does help a lot. See, fruit has natural sugar, which is fructose, and your body knows exactly how to use it. Sugar and the natural fructose is beneficial for brain function, which is important and why we need to consume like healthy fruits and vegetables along with other benefits, like, you know, you get your vitamin C along with other vitamins and minerals from your oranges or fruits in general. So it's just a plethora of variety of things that we can consume to help to cure that sweet tooth that we're having. Throw some blueberries in the freezer, pop them in your mouth. You could ice it with like a low glycemic syrup, or you can ice it with like some honey and create like your own sweet tooth snack. It does help a lot. Like, we think that we need processed foods to help with the sweet tooth craving because our bodies automatically associate sweet stuff with the processed food, because we got to think about it. Scientists are in a lab and they're creating these things for us to want to crave more of it. But naturally, our bodies know what to do with nature's candy, which is fruit. So whenever we go and we eat this stuff, I bet you, I guarantee you, if you're having a sweet tooth, you go and you get you a nice, sweet, juicy orange or an apple, whatever, I guarantee you that whatever you're craving that is sweet, whatever that's processed, you know, that you're craving that's sweet, those cravings will go away. It's just our body's just telling us, hey, let's eat something because we need the glucose for our brain function, right? The raspberries, you can do strawberries if that's something that you like. Frozen bananas, we can do that as well. So it's all a preference, whatever fruits that you enjoy eating. Go ahead, try it out. Just add your own twist to it. What is this, Paige? Ooh, fresh artichokes. I like artichokes. That is all we have for you today. I hope I was able to help you with some ideas with their sweet tooth craving, and also you can create your own like recipe with cacao and dates, and it's just so much to do with what we have. You just got to get creative and think outside the box, and you could definitely get your sweet tooth fix with healthier alternatives. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Take care. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know if you tried anything or what. Let me know your favorite go-to recipes for your sweet tooth craving, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Baby.